Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to fix the problem of the ad review that is stuck on Facebook. And to do so, it's very easy. First, we are going to understand what is the problem and then fix it. Navigating Facebook's ad review process can sometimes feel like a waiting game. This presentation will equip digital marketers and advertisers with actionable strategies to ensure their campaigns get approved faster, minimizing delays and maximizing campaign launch efficiency. So this will be especially for people who have the problem of the ad that is stuck and they have tried the solutions on the internet. The basic solutions, I will also cover them in this video, but I will give you also some tips to make your ad review go quicker. Now, let's understand Facebook's ad review. Facebook's automated and human review systems typically approve ads in under 24 hours. They scrutinize several key areas to maintain a safe and reliable advertising ecosystem. Now, they analyze the ad content. All text, images, and videos are checked. The landing page, it ensures functionality, security with the HTTPS protocol, and alignment with ad promises. And the advertiser's account history. So, a consistent record of compliance can lead to faster reviews. Now, for the common challenges. When an ad gets stuck, it's often due to policy or technical missteps. Proactive checks can save significant time. Now check the policy violations. If you have misleading claims, avoid exaggerated promises or unsupported statements. If you have before and after imagery, it's prohibited for health, weight loss, or cosmetic products. If you have discriminatory targeting, ensure ads do not exclude or target based on sensitive attributes like age, gender, or religion. Try not to be racist. I have seen some racist ads before, so yeah, be careful of that. Maybe there are some technical glitches. Maybe the landing page has some issues. It should load quickly, be mobile responsive, and be free of broken elements or 404 errors. You have to have a good landing page. Now, for the secure links, all links must use HTTPS, so HTTP secure, and accurately direct users to the informative and accurately direct users to the advertised content. Now, for the functional content, ensure all interactive elements like forms or buttons are fully operational. Now, for the things that you can do for the future approvals, you can edit and resubmit. Make a minor text edit and republish the ad. This often requires it for a quicker review. You can duplicate the ad by creating a new copy of the ad and publishing it. It can sometimes expedite the review process. You can also contact the support. If an ad is stuck for over 24 hours, contact Meta Business Hub support via chat or via email. And you can also maintain the account health by regularly checking account quality in Business Manager to ensure no restrictions impact your approvals. So that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.